Beginning with this edition of the Free Software series and future episodes to come, we'll take a look at the best free and open source programs for your computer. In short, when you see the term open source software, it means that its source code is freely available for users to inspect, modify, and distribute the software to anyone for any reason. With so many free and open source programs that are actually great. Coming up, I will show you 5 of our personal favorites, many of which you've heard me discuss previously in other videos. They're all well established, trusted, and completely free. Let's get started. First up is LibreOffice. This Office suite released in 2011 is a great alternative to Microsoft Office. Their Microsoft Word and Excel alternatives have improved quite a bit over the years when opening and converting those file formats. Included with LibreOffice is Writer, which has many of the same features as Microsoft Word. LibreOffice is available for Windows, Mac, and Linux. There are 2 versions available for download. Developed by the Mozilla Foundation way back in 2002, the open-source Firefox browser is still one of the most popular browsers available. It has a ton of add-ons and extensions that enhance your browsing experience. You can sync between your desktop and mobile devices and includes an excellent manager for bookmarks. Other browsers that use variants of the Firefox source code include Waterfox and the privacy and security-focused Tor browser. The Firefox web browser is available for Windows, Mac, and Linux. On various distributions of Linux, Firefox is often the default web browser. Next up is OBS Studio. Released in 2012, the screen recorder is available for Windows, Linux, and Mac. It's very popular for streaming video games and other live content. Recordings can also be saved to your computer to be imported into your favorite video editor. If you have an older PC with low system specs, you may encounter lag. For most people, the only true fix for this is to upgrade your computer. Many users of OBS Studio report that they find it to be confusing to use. When starting out, I'd highly recommend checking out the various tutorials available online. Shotcut is a great video editor for new users. It was initially released in 2004 and is updated on a regular basis. A few years ago, it was the first editor I used for editing YouTube videos before switching over to Premiere Pro. It includes a ton of features that are often locked behind a paywall, but most free video editors, including support for 4K resolutions, and allows for multiple tracks on the same timeline. If you've tried out other video editors, Shotcut user interface may not be what you're used to. On the Shotcut website, they include video tutorials that will teach you how to use it. Shotcut is available for Windows, Mac, and Linux. The oldest program in this video is GIMP, released in 1996. This image editor is one of the best free alternatives to Photoshop. Before we go any further, many of the free and open source programs offered depend on the donations of others for development. If you'd like to donate to any project, you'll often see a donate button near the top of their website. With GIMP, it's to the right of tutorials. Let's move on. GIMP supports layers and includes tools for retouching your photos or creating brand new images from scratch. In the past year, GIMP has received a major upgrade, making it more useful, including cosmetic changes that make it look better. If you want to check out GIMP, it's available for download on Linux, Mac, and Windows. Thanks for watching. All links are in the description. If this video is useful for you, give it a thumbs up and share with others. What is your favorite free and open source software? Let us know about it in the comments. And if you haven't done so already, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay up to date with the latest free software and other tech-related stuff from Zain's Tech.